Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing video, and today I have something quite special. This is a collaboration piece between a Bathing Ape and Suicoke. Now Suicoke is a Japanese high-end manufacturer of sandals and footwear. So this piece is actually a second release by these two parties, and this model in particular is also quite unique. It's the first in its model lineup. This is the Suicoke DAO, if I'm not mistaken. And this is the special exclusive box that it comes in. As you can see here in front, the Bathing Ape, Suicoke, inviting atmosphere, wear comfortable products. Alright, all around wrapped in ABC Camo. Very nicely done. Suicoke right here, Bathing Ape here on the sides, and on the back, same thing. On top, you get the Bathing Ape logo right here. Very nice. Other side, I believe, is the model number. As you can see here, this is the OG 1958 DAO Ape, which is the Suicoke model name, DAO. See that right there? Got it in a black, size US 11. Now this also comes in a bright blue, ABC Camo bright blue. I got the original ABC Camo green instead. As you can see here, US size 11. All the different measurements in different regions, and that's how it looks like. So pretty dope. So let's open it up. As you can see on the side, there's an opening there. This. So you got some stickers right here. Lucy Flowers anti-mo sticker. Interesting. Now you have the Suicoke paper, wrapping paper in gray. There. Let's have a look at these sandals. Now Suicoke's not known for cheap sandals. They're pretty expensive, going within the regions of at least $200, $250, $300 US a pair. Alright, so let's have a look at it. It's really nice. Let's take out the card. You can see the specialty paper thing here, documentation, attention. Just curious, let's have a look at it. See what's inside. Seems to be like a simple little pamphlet right there. I'm not gonna read it, but if you want to read it, you can pause the video. It's pretty small. Probably some warranty and care instructions. Is there anything else in the box? Nope. Alright, so let's focus on the sandals. As you can see here, this DAO model is quite unique. It's got that two flaps connected by this wiring system right here. So one side is see-through, the other one it has that very nice comfy ABC Camo green material. Underneath the outsole, you've got this kind of dented sharp edges right here to give you the added traction. No particular branding on this, but definitely by the shape of it, it's definitely going to give you a lot of traction. Very flexible. Right here you've got that iconic signature puffy portion here that gives you that comfort on your heel. Right there. Then you got the printing Suicoke. We have a branding here as well. What does it say? Okay, there's a Bathing Ape branded button there. So very interesting design overall. Really like it a lot. Okay, let's have a look at the sides. So you got the size tag right there. I'm not sure you can zoom into it, but yeah, have a quick look at it. So very interesting design. So let's see the strapping mechanism. I think you just let's look down the camera a bit. Zoom in. So I think this is the tightening mechanism right there. I'm not sure how you can use it, but yeah, as you can see, you just press the two sides. You just move around right there. Okay. Interesting mechanism. so it seems to only go one way. I go both ways as well. So overall it's pretty nice. It's different from the first release, which is a standard model from Suicoke. This one is actually made of two pieces, and I think because of it, it's very adjustable. As you can see right in the middle as well, you've got this added padding. These two sides, which is very nice. As you can see here, you got the Bathing Ape tag right there. Both sides. Okay, only on this side. Yep. So it's only on this side, which is the left side, that has the Bathing Ape tag. All very nice, very colorful. So let's have a look on my feet. So looking at the mechanics of it, so if you want to loosen it or adjust the sandals, you just open this up and you can kind of stretch it out right there. For me, it's quite fitting right out from the box, so I'm quite satisfied with this. So instead, I'll just kind of tighten it right there, like that. So you don't have to actually pull it all the way. Somehow or other, when you just pull it in to tighten, you're able to loosen just by pulling it out this way. So going in this way, it's pretty standard stuff. So once you're happy with it, just put it back in. Now the thing about this is that if you tighten it too much, then this one seems to be dangling a bit too far out. Maybe a bit of an annoyance, but for me it doesn't have to go all the way, so I'm quite happy with just pulling it out a bit, stretching it out so it's not too tight right there. So let's have a look at my feet. Alright, so just to give you a comparison, let me slide my feet in. So this is basically how it'll look like. Right now, if the strings are on this plastic piece, not a big problem. So this is the side view right there. Excuse the ugly feet. Yeah. So this would be an on-feet review portion of the video. Right. As you can see the side there, it's very nice. I've got to say, very nice. Size US 11, just about right. Okay, let's put both sides on. Now this side is a bit loose, so I'll just pull up the strings right there. So this. Curious to know how it looks like on your feet. This is basically what it should look like. You have an exposed medial, the medial side right there, and you have that ABC Camo about 2/3 of the way, depending on the width of your feet. Other than that, I think it's a very cool design. I think this one goes a little bit more. Yeah, I think once you tighten it up, this is meant to go in a bit more. So yep, very nicely done by Suicoke and Bape. If you like more videos, follow me on Instagram at LKHOE23, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Yep, bye. So I managed to play around with it, and as you can see here, I managed to put it to quite a fitting setting. So what you guys can do is adjust this, just twist it around so that the strings don't actually come in the way. So like here, so there you go. Pretty nice. Alright, some people may be turned off by the exposed side right here, but I think it's alright. It's not too bad. It's very nice. The ABC Camo green portion of it has got a very soft padding, so it looks very nice. But other than that, I think it looks really nice. It may not appeal to everybody, but I feel that with this kind of design, especially with that PVC see-through look, it wouldn't damage your sandals, especially the padding area here. So kind of protected in a way. So it looks pretty nice. So yeah, not too bad. Tell me what you think. Like it or dislike it. Follow me on IG at LKHOE23 and catch you guys in the next video. Bye.